I was so focused on trying to cope with the pain that nothing around me mattered, or could I pay attention to anything that was occurring around me. It was that intense where I was so focused on trying to determine what I could do for my pain, or just coping with it, that life was going on around me and I was blind to it. I wasn't formally diagnosed with fibromyalgia until about 3 years ago. It's affected so many different facets of my life. It's caused me not to be able to enjoy just the basic things of my children, being able to get down on the ground and play with them, being able to focus on important events in their life, and including in my own, to be able to focus in my job, and it was just a struggle.
It really is difficult when the one that you love is in pain every single day, and how that affects his mood and how it affects what he is able to enjoy and what he's able to do. I also worried about his longevity too, and I wondered if he was going to continue to deteriorate on that kind of level, how much of life he was going to have left.
The medications weren't doing as they were prescribed to do. It was just a mask. I didn't want to continue down this road the past 3 years that I've been on, that I needed to find some other solution. And that's when I went to Dr. Gala's seminar at the Smolin Center, and that very next day my wife and I were in his office, and we were signing up for the program.
I want to say the first 2 or 3 weeks in the program was really rough on him as his body was adjusting to those changes. But once things started turning around, we could almost on a daily basis see the miracles.
The biggest improvement I see and I feel is the pain disappearing. Knowing that when I get up in the morning, I'm going to be up for 10, 12, 14 hours, and knowing that I don't have to focus on pain to get me through that day.
He's just so much happier and full of life and full of smiles and living again.
I would tell everybody, anybody that I come in contact with, I will share my story with the hopes that they could feel someday pain-free, as I'm getting very close to being pain-free. Dr. Gala, I thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to enjoy my life, giving me the door that was there, presented to me, that could be opened for me to just be pain-free, to enjoy my kids, enjoy my wife, and to know that I'm not going to have to worry about how much longer I'm going to be in pain and lose my life. And I'm just a testimony to the success of his program, and I hope that so many other people can be a part of that, because what he's done for me and so many others, there's so many other people out there that he could do the same for, and I hope to God that they will give him an opportunity so they could also have a life-changing experience.